In today's video, I will show you how to log into Threads using another Instagram account. Managing multiple profiles on Threads is super convenient if you run separate personal, creator, or business handles, as the app connects directly to Meta's single sign-on system. First, open the Threads app on your phone. Next, go to the bottom right corner of the screen and press and hold your profile icon. Tap Add Profile from the pop-up menu that appears. From there, select your other Instagram account if it is already saved on your device, or simply enter the username and password to log in. If it is your first time using that account on Threads, complete the quick setup prompts to customize or import your profile details. Once configured, you can press and hold the profile icon anytime to instantly switch back and forth between your connected profiles in seconds. And that's it! That's how you log into Threads using another Instagram account.